U.S. tests T-38, Devil Ray unmanned surface vehicle in the Middle East. On 26 October 2023, the U.S. Department of Defense released footage of the deployment of the T-38 Devil Ray unmanned surface vehicle in the Arabian Gulf. According to Navy recognition, the unmanned surface vehicle is part of Task Force 59 of the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet. Task Force 59 integrates unmanned systems and artificial intelligence into maritime operations in the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet area of operations to ensure maritime security and stability in the Middle East region. The primary objective of this deployment is to support large-scale operations by combining unmanned surface vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned underwater vehicles, and remotely piloted vehicles. Task Force 59 is a specialized unit within the U.S. Navy focused on integrating advanced technologies, including unmanned systems and artificial intelligence technologies, to enhance maritime operations in the Middle East region. Established in 2021, the unit will reach full operational capability in January 2023. Task Force 59's progress has been facilitated by its participation in bilateral and international naval exercises, gaining valuable operational experience. Collaborations with international military partners such as Israel, Bahrain, and Jordan are focused on unmanned surface vehicles and artificial intelligence technologies with prospects for future expansion. Task Force 59's vision for the future includes the concept of a digital ocean, which involves the intelligent synthesis of data from a variety of sources, including seafloor sensors, satellites, buoys, and other technologies, to provide continuous maritime surveillance. The Navy also plans to establish unmanned task forces, modeled on Task Force 59, around the world to replicate its successes. The T-38 is an unmanned surface vehicle developed by the U.S. company Maritime Tactical Systems, MARTAC. In July 2020, MARTAC announced the launch of the Mantis medium category vessels, including the Mantis T-24, 24F or 7M, T-38, 11M, and T-50, 50FT, or 15-meter variants. The T-38 unmanned surface vehicle can travel at a speed of 25 knots, 46 km/h. It weighs 2,950 kilos and has a displacement of only 18 inches, 46 atm. The T-38 can carry a payload of up to 2,050 kilo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.